Hello students, welcome to biology class. Students, today we are going to discuss an important topic from chapter 5th, that is adaptation of class 6th biology. And for today our topic is adaptation in mountain animals. So in the previous lecture or in the previous class we have discussed about the adaptation in mountainous plants. How the plants in the mountains, they have adapted themselves to survive in such harsh conditions. So accordingly, today we will discuss about the modifications or the changes which the animals in the mountain region have developed to survive in such difficult conditions. So students, you know that there are many animals which are on the planet Earth, but all of them are not able to survive in the mountain region. Like, if you imagine that the camel is just living in the mountain region, so it will be very difficult for the camel to survive there, because the body of the camel is adapted in such a way that now it has become used to survive in hot and dry region, that is desert. In the same way, if you want to grow the mountain plant in the desert, it is very difficult, because the climatic condition which that plant is used to get in the mountain regions, that climatic condition that plant is not going to get in the desert region. That's why all the animals or all the plants, they are differently survive in different regions according to the variations or the modifications which have been developed in their bodies. Like when we talk about the cactus, cactus is what? Cactus is best grown in desert areas. Now, cactus, it has modified itself, like its leaves, they have been reduced to spine. The stem, it has become spongy to store the water. Okay, the root of the stem, the root of the cactus goes deep into the soil in search of water. Now, when we talk about animals, the animals also have developed some changes or some modifications in their bodies so that they can survive in the mountain region. So students, when we talk about this modification or when we talk about the changes which have been developed in the body of the animals to enable them to survive in the mountain regions, our first change, basically the animals in this region, they are white or light colored. It means they have camouflage property. Camouflage property means they the color of their body matches with the color of the surroundings. So basically this protects them from their enemies and they survive easily in the snow covered areas in the hilly region, like snow leopard is there. Okay. Second property is on their body thick fur, that is long hair. Thick fur is present on their body or long hairs are present on their body, which protect these animals from cold. It acts as insulation. Third is fat, deposition of fat under their skin. So there is a thick layer of fat which provides them insulation or which protects them from cold. So for this you have seen the mountain goats, yak, snow leopards. All these animals, they have developed some modifications in their body so that they can survive in the mountain regions. So when we talk about examples are yak, mountain goat, snow leopard. So all these animals, they have developed some modification or some changes in their body. Now when we talk about this mountain goat, these mountain goats, they have strong hooves so that they can easily jump from one rock to another rock. If we talk about yak is having what? Long hair or fur on its body. So this is regarding the modifications which have been developed in the mountain animals for their survival.